Your feet burn at night, your hands tingle. Sometimes it feels like tiny electric shocks running through your legs. And you keep asking yourself, is this just aging or is something seriously wrong? After 60, nerve pain is one of the most common and most ignored problems. Doctors often call it neuropathy. Pills are prescribed, but the pain keeps coming back. What many seniors are never told is this: damaged nerves don't heal with medicine alone. They heal with the right daily foods. Today, I'll share 5 powerful foods that support nerve repair after 60. And one of them is so effective that many seniors feel less burning and tingling within 48 hours when they eat it consistently. I'll clearly tell you which one that is. First food is salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce nerve inflammation and improve blood flow to damaged nerves. After 60, poor circulation makes nerve pain worse. Omega-3s help nerves communicate better and calm that on-fire sensation. Even 2 servings a week can make a noticeable difference. Second food is eggs. Eggs are packed with vitamin B12 and choline. Low B12 is one of the biggest hidden causes of nerve pain in seniors. Tingling hands, numb feet, balance problems, all linked to B12 deficiency. 1 egg a day helps rebuild the protective covering around nerves, called the myelin sheath. Third food is spinach and dark leafy greens. These greens provide magnesium and folate. Magnesium relaxes overexcited nerves, reducing cramps, stabbing pain, and nighttime burning. Folate helps repair nerve tissue at the cellular level. Seniors who avoid greens often experience worse neuropathy symptoms without realizing why. Fourth food is almonds and walnuts. These nuts contain vitamin E and healthy fats that protect nerve cells from further damage. Vitamin E works like a shield, slowing nerve degeneration and improving sensation in hands and feet. Just a small handful daily is enough. Now pay close attention to this one, because this food is the most powerful for nerve pain after 60. The fifth food is plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. This food works fast because it supports nerve healing in 3 ways at the same time. First, it provides high-quality protein needed to repair damaged nerve fibers. Second, it improves gut health. And this is critical because poor gut health blocks the absorption of B vitamins that nerves desperately need. Third, Greek yogurt helps reduce inflammation that triggers burning and pins and needles sensations. Many seniors notice reduced burning, less nighttime tingling, and calmer nerves within 48 hours when they eat a small bowl daily, especially when nerve pain is linked to diabetes, medications, or aging digestion. Important warning: sugary-flavored yogurts do the opposite. They increase inflammation and worsen nerve pain. Always choose plain Greek yogurt and add a few berries if needed. One more thing most people miss: these foods work best when eaten consistently, not occasionally. Nerves heal slowly, but they do heal, even after 60, when you feed them correctly. If your nerve pain is worse at night, eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Late meals increase blood sugar swings that irritate nerves. Drink enough water, because dehydration tightens nerve pathways. And never ignore numbness. It's a warning sign, not just aging. Your body is not betraying you. It's asking for the right support. Start with these foods, especially this food, and give your nerves what they've been missing for years.